Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Merchant Center for shopping ads, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Merchant Center for shopping ads, start by navigating to the Google Merchant Center website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one. Enter your business information, including business name, country, and time zone. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Create Account. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the Merchant Center dashboard. Click on Products in the left menu to begin adding your items. Select Feeds and then click on the plus button to add a new feed. Choose the appropriate target country for your products. Decide on your feed type. You can opt for a scheduled fetch, manual upload, or Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to set up your feed details, including naming your feed and selecting the content language. Submit your settings and click the Create Feed button. Next, you'll need to prepare your product data to comply with Google's product data specification. Create a product feed in the required format, usually XML or CSV. Include essential attributes like ID, title, description, link, image link, price, and availability. Upload your product feed to Merchant Center. After uploading, check for any errors or issues in the Products section. Fix any errors indicated by Google to ensure your products are eligible for shopping ads. Now it's time to set up your tax and shipping information. In the left menu, select Settings, then click on Tax to configure your tax settings based on your location. Next, navigate to Shipping to define your shipping rates and methods. Once those settings are configured, go back to the dashboard and click on Marketing. From there, select Shopping Campaigns to link your merchants. Create a new Google Ads account if you don't have one, or sign in to your existing account. Follow the prompts to link your Merchant Center account with your Google Ads account. Now you're ready to create your first shopping campaign within Google Ads. Set your campaign budget and select your bidding strategy. Select the products you wish to include in the campaign from your Merchant Center account. Review your campaign settings and then launch your shopping ads. Monitor the performance of your ads to optimize your strategy moving forward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.